Trying to relax here, guys. Sorry.
It's so hard.
Hey guys, welcome back to Recreational. It's Lori and Sunny here, and
We're so bad at this. We have learned that good YouTubers really earn their money because this is so much harder than it looks. But we're trying. Here, hold this.
shout out to Derek, Vice Grip Garage. You're great, man. I don't know how you do it, but you're good.
Yeah, we love him.
We love you.
Hey, y'all too. No. Why do I keep saying that? Hey guys, welcome back to Recreational with Lori and Sunny. You do it. That was good.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Recreational. We're here.
We got a few requests to do a slower walkthrough on the little blue tiny house. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Okay, here's the exterior. It is 12 by 32, 384 square feet on the outside, so the inside's a little less. Okay, here is the living room. It's actually pretty big. We've got dual zone mini splits, so you can keep the living room and your bedroom a different tip. Little fireplace, and it does heat. 43-inch TV here. Pretty chandeliers. Coming around to the kitchen, you can eat right there. 30-inch fridge with freezer. A large farm sink. It's so cute. We've got open shelves. Adorable little 20-inch stove with a hood. I love that little stove. There's not many that have the little window in the front. It's so cute. Wallpaper. And this wainscoting took forever. But I learned how to do it too, and that helped. There were so many. Cutie light fixture in the hallway. Then coming down into the bathroom on the left, and it does have a space for a stacked washer dryer. I know a lot of people miss that, with storage over top. Regular toilet. And storage here behind the toilet, and this shelf is on cleat system. So you just lift it up, pull that down, and there's your access to your tankless water heater, which is pretty awesome. Full size tub shower combo with brass fixtures. And then we have a 24-inch vanity with storage underneath, mirror, and lights overhead. We got tongue and groove ceilings. I forgot to say that. Tongue and groove ceilings. These little houses do have to be moved, so I'm kind of scared to do drywall on the ceilings. But they said they've done it before and it hasn't been an issue, so that's pretty cool. And then back here is the bedroom. This has a full-size bed, but there's plenty of room for a queen. I'd even squeeze a king in here, but once you go king, it's hard to go back. Got the same chandelier in here and the mini split heat and air, so you can control this room by itself. And then we have a big closet in the bedroom. Lots of room for hanging. You could even do double another set if you wanted to add to give you double the space. And here's the view coming back out of the bedroom.
Smells so clean and fresh.
Bathroom. Oh, we got candles lit. Yeah. There There it is. 384 whole square feet of it.